Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the delightful world of Double Ka Meetha. Please do like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's gather our ingredients. 5 slices of milk bread, saffron, ghee for deep frying, assorted nuts, 1 cup of sugar, 5 cardamom pods, half liter of milk and condensed milk. First, trim the edges of bread and cut it into quarters. Sun dry or refrigerate until crispy. In a bowl, bring half liter of milk to a boil. Meanwhile, fry the bread in the ghee until golden brown. Then set it aside. In the same pan, roast cashews for that perfect crunch. Set them aside for the final touch. As the milk boils, add saffron, cardamom powder and a cup of sugar. Stir until it thickens. Arrange the fried bread in a pan, pouring the saffron-infused milk over it. Let it simmer on low heat until the bread soaks up the flavors. For the finishing touch, garnish with those golden roasted cashews and a drizzle of condensed milk. And there you have it, the juicy and delicious sweet Double Ka Meetha. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!